Howdy guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly Red Tool Bear, back again here in the Den of Tools, and today we've got Black Friday sales and predictions when it comes to Packout and other modular tool storage systems. So let's jump into it with the actual Packout system from the old Milwaukee here. So here's the real question that I keep getting asked: Is this going to hit 200? Is it going to hit 200 again? And I got out my Magic 8-Ball and I gave it a good shake, and it said maybe. Now, so right now they just dropped the price on it. It's $229. That's the current sale price. Just landed on it, $229 on this. Here's the question. It's October 26th. Do you think that they're going to have a sale price on it now and then drop it another $30 in the next month? Because we're 1 month out from Turkey Day. So that's the question you got to ask yourself. Basically, what you have to say is, do I roll the bones? Do I go out and buy it right now for $229, or do I hold off and go, you know what? I think they're going to drop it another $30, and I'm willing to risk not getting one on sale at all for that extra $30, because I think that I will A, that they will do it, and B, I'll be able to get to the store before they sell out, because even if they even have any in stock, I don't know if it's a risk I would take if I was looking to get into this system. I think there will be other stores that will hit that $200 price point. I think they'll do it just to get people in store. I'm not sure if Home Depot's actually going to do that on this one. Now let's talk about some of the other stuff that they sell with this system right now that's on sale. You got the base here with the handle and the cartwheels and stuff. It's currently going for $139. We've got the cart here, the nice cart, for $179. We've got the XL, the big boy toolbox here. This one's going for $105.73. You've got the large toolbox here, large-ish toolbox here. It comes with a tray in it and everything for $89.97. These are current sale prices right now. This is prices they've dropped on or have had already special buys on everything. This is the milk crate here, 50-pound capacity. It's great for throwing in all the odds and ends. $44.97 on that. Then you've got the medium red toolbox, nice slim. This is for like a lot of your small parts and organizers and stuff like that. You keep all your basic small hand tools and bits and such. $69.97 on that one. We got the larger, the deep organizer. Basically the same concept, just deeper. They show PVC odds and ends and stuff like that in it. It's currently going for $64.97. And then they also have these little parts bins. Now, I think we will definitely see these go on sale, or more selections of these as kind of stocking stuffer kind of items getting closer to the end of the year. That said, this is the 100-piece Shockwave set. So you get all the bits and everything else with this. It's currently 50% off, down to $49.99. Now here, the Bear's got a question for you, and that is this. Are any of you really into paying that kind of money for the black system? Is it that collectible? I don't get it. For those of you who don't know, people are on eBay are selling the black Packout system that apparently, as I understand it, is only sold in Europe, and they're shipping it back across the pond and charging people ridiculous prices. And there's 12 people watching this. I don't know if anyone's actually bought it. But anyway, it seems kind of ridiculous to pay that kind of price just so you can say, yes, I have the black Packout. That's your thing. Great. All right, let's go to the opposite end of the spectrum, and that is Versastack. I shouldn't really call it the opposite end of the spectrum, because Versastack used to really be Dewalt T-Stack, which is one of the original modular tool storage systems. So T-Stack, Dewalt was getting played by the Packout system, so they upgraded to the Tough system and then the Tough system 2.0. And so they still have the T-Stack system, but they allowed craftsmen to get in on the game. So really, they're the same system. There are some parts you can only get in Versastack. There's some parts you can only get in T-Stack. The real difference is the color. The Versastack's red and black. The T-Stack's yellow and black. So this is the base system. This is, I think, going to be the Black Friday price, $89 at $90, basically. I don't think it's going to get cheaper than that. Do you? Do you really think they're going to drop this another $10 and take it down to $80? I don't see that happening. The previous Black Fridays didn't do that. And with the way people are buying stuff up, the second it goes on a little bit of a sale, I don't see them being in a big hurry to, give you even more of a savings. If you're looking to get in the Versastack system, and if you're a home gamer, I think it's the best option out there. It's what I'm in myself. Because it's not just great as a portable modular tool system, but it's great for a semi-portable, tool chest alternative, and I'll show you why. One of the downsides of most Packout systems or most modular systems is if you want to get to what's in the middle or bottom box, you got to take everything off and dig your way down. Well, they have the drawer systems here for Versastack. This 2-drawer system here, I have this. I have several of them. They're currently $40. That's the problem. Right now, all the modules and stuff for this are not on sale. You might want to wait on those. But $40 on that, you get the 2-drawer slim drawer system. But you know what? There's also the Dewalt system. I have 2 of these. This is the same size box, but you get a single deep drawer instead of 2 shallow drawers, and it's $30. And I love this system. I love the ability to go back and forth between the two. I wish they had for the bottom box, I wish they had one where the front just kind of levered out so I could get down into there, and then that would be about the perfect system, wouldn't it? For the other stuff they have here, they have their own version of the milk crate there. Throw your odds and end there. It's $20. That's a bargain of a price compared to that Packout milk crate. They even have a cooler box if you want to be able to use, maybe you're not going to use it for tools. Maybe you're going to use it for camping and stuff like that, or just for outings with the family. You can, pack all the kids' stuff into the other boxes, stuff for the day. You're going to a festival or whatnot. Seems like a great idea. And then I got to talk about this. This is their tool system. I'm not a huge fan of Craftsman hand tools, but if you're in the Versastack system, these are not bad. The system that comes with this, they're full chrome polish, so you don't have all the rough edges and stuff. $200 is not the buy it now price on this. This will go on sale. By the way, so if you understand what I mean, it has 3 drawers in each. The tools each have their own little spot in there. It's not the best use of space, but it does, put a full little toolkit, nice DIY toolkit in the Versastack system. And again, adds to that modularity, portability by being a drawer system, so you don't have to take everything apart. T-Stack, there is a T-Stack tower option. If you want to go black and yellow on the option, you get a different top box with a more rugged kind of handle on it. And you're looking at $120 on that one. But this is over at Acme Tools, and they're not estimated in stock date is in December, mid-December 15th there. All right. I know a lot of you are already screaming, but what about Ridgid? Fine, here's Ridgid. There's just not much of a selection in the Ridgid. They've got 3 main boxes. They've got a milk crate and I think 1, maybe 2 other boxes, but most of them are not in stock right now. You can get this system here for $120. It's a rugged system. Don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with the system. The only downside of the system is the lack of options, which is one of the reasons why I like the Versastack system over it, because you're getting in at a similar, if not lower price point. It's not as ruggedized, but for the average DIYer, they don't need that. This is if you're going to be tossing your stuff in the back of the pickup truck and you don't want to care about it or think about it. It's going to take that kind of abuse. All right, and you can buy all the systems, the parts separately there. There's the bottom, there's the middle, and there's the top. But again, that's about it right now. So the Dewalt Tough System, we mentioned this. They had the T-Stack, then they went to Tough System. Now they're Tough System 2.0. This is the stack right here. This is the one that they do for Black Friday, and the price on it, $200. That's the same price that it went down to for the sale price for Black Friday last year. That's a buy it now price. So if you're looking to get into this, it's out of stock everywhere. Everywhere I check, the stack system is out of stock. But wait, let's look at this. You can buy the base. It's in stock. There, you can buy that right now for $89. Then you buy the middle box. It's in stock and it's $65. And then you got the top box and it's in stock for $45. Was it 65 plus 45 plus what was this one? Plus 89. That, I don't know if my bare math is right, but that seems to be $199. Anyway, you build your own, I guess. All right, so this is Tough System 1, not Tough System 2. You can tell easily by the little tabs. These are up on the top. The other ones are on the side. Also on Tough System 2, it says Tough System 2 right on it. And latches are different. Anyway, but not a bad box. It is a very rugged box, honestly. Here's the basic cart, the bottom box here for $59. There's the medium box for $40. So at that point, what we got 59. you're at $99, and then you get I guess that's the tall box for $49. This is the same as the other one, the medium box, just taller. So I didn't see the slim box like the other one, so you can build a tower on sale right now. But anyway, you can part them together if you're looking to get into the tough system one. All right, Husky. I know, oh my gosh, I always got people going, you should talk about Husky more. Here, Husky. Husky has a system. There you go. It's $89.98. That's the standard going price on it. That's the everyday price. Nothing fancy about it. The reason we don't talk about Husky much is there's just not much else out there. And it's kind of interesting. If you look at it, you got this clear parts bin up top, medium box there, box down there. Anyway, the reason we don't talk about them more is there's just not a lot of options to go along with it. Is you buy the box, and if you're happy with it, you're happy with it. I think they may have one or two other boxes that I've seen for it, but they're not currently in stock or something. Hart has the same issue. They have a nice basic box system. It even has a little spot like that for your cell phone. Isn't that clever? Because I want to have my cell phone flopping around. Anyway, it's a decent looking box. I've always liked the Hart color system. $88 on it. It's not a bad price. That's not a sale price or anything like that. That is a popular pick item. It's not a rollback or anything like that. And then Menards has their option for $150. And again, same kind of situation. Not a lot of extras to go with it. You're just kind of stuck with it. And again, this is the new Craftsman option. This is their trade stack, trying to make you think that this is up from the Versastack for the professional, because Craftsman's trying to approach that value pro professional there. And I know I have one of these. I did a video on it. As a standalone system, it's actually pretty good. But is it true professional grade? No, I don't think it is. You got to take a little bit of care of it. It's got too many fiddly bits that easily pop off. You lose the spring. Do they snap back on? They sure do. But if you lose that spring, well, what do you do then? And then it's one of the big selling points is it comes with a tray that's in that bottom case there that's designed to allow you to hook it up to the Versastack system. And I mean, as I said, as a standalone system, it's a nice system. There we go. So right here, you see that tray that's under this one? That's in the lid of the bottom system here. It comes with it, and that's basically they're trying to say, look, you can buy into this system, and it works with all these other systems, so it's expandable, but that tray doesn't work very well. For light carrying around, yes, but if you are actually going to put this in a truck, drive around with it, throw it, and use it like a pro would, no, it's going to come apart, and your stuff's going to go everywhere. So I have it. It's a nice system as a standalone. If you're in the Versastack system, I would hold off until maybe they come out with a 2.0 version of this. Anyway, that's what we got here as far as the systems that are on sale right now and my predictions as to what's going to go on sale in the future. Like the trade stack, I don't know. That might go on sale. I think they're going to push more the Versastack as far as the hot Black Friday deals. The tough system, it already is the same price as it was last year. The Husky, it might go on sale for another 10% off. The Hart probably go on sale for another 10% off. The Dewalt T-Stack, that's not going to go on sale. That's just what it is. And let me know what you think. What stores are you looking to buy from? Do you think that you had any inside information that the bear missed here? Put it down in the comments down there. Don't forget to also chomp the old like button, smash that subscribe, ring that bell on the way out. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.